Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and this is the all new Suzuki GSX-S1000. Start with the old cheeky flash on there from the upgraded LED headlight that you get on one of these, stacked just for that cool robotic look. Upgrades over the old one, switch gears a little bit different. The traction controls now 5-stage rather than 3-stage. You've now got power modes on this as well, quickshifter, autoblipper, and then the customers just upgraded it as well with the decal kit. Absolutely stunning looking with the Suzuki and that Racefit exhaust. Sublime design did the decal kit and it really is an absolute beauty. Claimed about 150 horsepower, it does use the K5 K6 GSX-R engine. You've got Brembo brakes on there as well and a cheeky little tail tidy. What more do you need in something set up with all this power? Fantastic bike to look at, sounds wicked as you've already heard. In order to get it purchased, it's easy. Pop down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call on this one. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.